Hello dear students, this is a video especially for the class 11th students from economics statistics book. Objective type questions are included in this video. It will be very much helpful for you, and we will start with the questions. Question number 1. Statistics is used by. There are 4 options for you: government, businessman, economist, all the above. So the answer of this question is all the above. Second question. Functions of statistics. 4 options. First one, to simplify complex facts. Second one, to make comparison of facts. Third option, to help in interpretation. And the fourth option is all of these. All of you just think and find out the answer. To simplify the complex fact, to make comparison of facts, to help in interpretation, and the last option, all of these. And here the answer is option D, all of these. Next question. The major cause of emergence of economic problem is. Number 1, unemployment. Second option, scarcity of resources. Third one, inflation. And the last option, none of the above. What is the major cause behind the emergence of economic problem? That is the question. The answer, correct answer is scarcity of resources. Now, the fourth question. Dash data are collected by the investigator himself. Secondary data, both A and B, none of the above, and the last option, primary. What is the correct answer? Dash data are collected by the investigator himself. The correct answer is primary data. Next, primary data is more useful when less time is available, high degree of accuracy is required, when the source of origin is not important, none of the above. When primary data is more useful. Okay. Less time is available. Is it correct? No. Because if an investigator is collecting data by himself, it will take time. Then high degree of accuracy is required. Then in that case it is correct. You know? Then source of origin is not important. That is also not correct. None of the above, wrong. So here in this case, the correct answer of this question is option B, high degree of accuracy when it is required. Then primary data is more useful. Next question. What is one way questionnaire? Okay, a questionnaire is what is? A list of answers. Second option, a list of objectives of the investigation. Third one, a list of data. And the fourth option is a list of questions pertaining to the investigation. Questionnaire means, here the correct answer is a list of questions pertaining to the investigation, using for the investigation. Seventh one. A good questionnaire should be, it should be in the order, all the questions. It is, that is the correct one. Second one, brief. A good questionnaire should be brief. Third option is complete. And the last one is all the above 3 points are correct. I am giving you a time for thinking. 3 options are there in order. Second one, brief. Third one is complete. Last option is all the above. And here the correct answer is option number D, all the above. Next, dash data is based on first-hand information. First-hand information means from the origin of the source, it is data is collected. There are 4 options for you. First option, primary data. Second one is secondary data. Then third one is both A and B. And the last is neither A nor B. I hope you got the answer. Here the correct answer is option A, primary data. Data collected from the newspaper Times of India. That is an example of secondary data, primary data, tertiary data, none of the above. Students, if we are collecting some data, information from Times of India newspaper, what will be here the correct answer? Here the correct answer is secondary data, option A. A survey which include every element of population is known as. In this case, when we are conducting a survey from every element of the group from that of that population, we are collecting the information. What is the name of that survey? Option A, sample method. B, census method. C, both A and B. And the last option, D, that is none of the above. Here the correct answer is census method. The quickest method of collecting primary data is. 4 options are given there for you. And here, what will be the correct answer? How? If we wanted to collect some of the information quickly, then which method is useful? First one is mailing method. Second one, telephonic interview. Third one, direct personal investigation. And option D is census method. Here, mailing method means we are mailing and it's not sure when they will be respondent will be sending the reply. If we are going to the direct personal investigation, one by one we are going and collecting the information, it also will take time. Census method, from each and every member we will be collecting the information. So in this case the correct option is option B, telephonic interview. We are giving the call and collecting the information. So in this case the correct option is telephonic interview, because while comparing with the other 3 method, comparatively quickly we will be getting the response. 12th one, a survey which includes every element of the population is known as. A survey which includes every element of the population is known as. Sample method, random method, non-random method, census method. Here the correct the option is option D, census method. The most fundamental economic problem is. What is the most important economic problem when we are considering an economy? That is the question. Option A, health. Option B, security. C, scarcity. And D, export and import. Once again, I will read the question. The most fundamental economic problem is option A, health. B, security. C, scarcity. And D, export and import. Here the correct answer is option C, scarcity, because all of you may be knowing that economics, actually this subject itself, it is derived because we are having less amount of the resources and our demands are unlimited. Limited amount of the resources, unlimited wants. So the option C is the correct one. In a sampling method, when every item of the population can have equal chance of being selected in sample, it is known as. Children, kindly note the question. We are discussing about sampling method. Okay. In a sampling method, when every item of the population can have an equal chance of being selected, it is known as census method. Second one, random method. C, non-random method. And D, none of the above. Here option B is the correct, random method. Because census, no, it's not applicable because we are discussing about sampling. Non-random means here it is not like that because we are specifying the sample. And random method means randomly we are taking any of the sample. So that is the correct one. Now question number 15. The amount of non-response is maximum in interview method, mailed questionnaire method, telephone interview method, observation method. Non-response is maximum among which of the following? First one, interview method. Second one, mailed questionnaire method, telephone interview method, and the last is observation method. Here, the correct answer is option B, mailed questionnaire method. And now here comes the last question. To find out opinion of voters immediately before general election, which method will be more useful? Once again, I will read. To find out opinions of voters immediately before general election, which method will be more suitable? Census method, sample method, secondary data, all the above. Here the correct answer is option B, sample method. So that's for this video. That's all for today's class. Okay, students. Have a nice day.